Welcome back to OU Nightly. We've got some gloomy skies out there, but the conditions are feeling a little different than what it looks like. It's been really pleasant for the most part, still sitting at about 70 degrees right now. And you can see winds have been holding on at about 18 miles per hour, so it's rather windy, and it has been windy all day. It's very dry out there too at our dew point at 51 degrees. Now, talking about going into tonight, those gloomy conditions kind of coming ahead of some severe storms we're expecting. So this slight risk embodying a good portion here of the state, and that does include us here in Norman. So we are not out of the picture for some potential strong to severe thunderstorms overnight tonight. Now, playing out the radar forecast and what that kind of looks like. You can see here some pretty discrete systems here and cells here with this thunderstorms, and that's really going to be the brunt of these storms to the south and east of us for the most part, but we are definitely going to hear some rumbles of thunder and see some rain in the overnight hours. Also extending this radar forecast into the rest of the week, because tomorrow we do have a very strong cold front that is going to sweep through early in the day. That's going to drastically drop our temperatures. That's going to bring us freezing rain chances going into Wednesday, and then that lingers all day long. This light precipitation for the most part, some heavier rain out to the south and east, and then continuing on this cusp here, we could see slight chances for some sleet or freezing rain. Really, that kind of ends up dividing here right in our area. So we'll see probably a mix of the two, and then strengthening a little bit, of course, into Thursday morning as well, even bringing snow to the northern portion of the state and lingering out all the way through the later hours into Thursday. Again, bringing it back to tonight. Now, talking about those threats, so we do have pretty medium level threats for hail, probably up to golf ball at most. Damaging winds, definite, and then tornado on the lower end here, but we can't, rule that out entirely. Talking about some rain totals as well. Playing this out, probably going to see maybe 3/10 of an inch or so of rainfall. A little bit more intensive, some rainfall out towards the east. Again, in the south, with over half an inch of rain, with the brunt of those storms again being concentrated towards the south of us. And again, talking about these dry conditions, the fire weather, of course, you can see just how drastically dry it is. Meanwhile, we've had some influx of moisture on this half of the state, the eastern half of the state, providing that moisture for those storms tonight. And that does bring us a chance for flooding. That's why we do have a flood watch active out in the eastern portion of the state. Highs tomorrow, rather cool into the 40s again with that cold front wrapping up with your 7-day forecast. Again, that drastic cool off in the midweek.